This is the Tinker Crate glowing pendulum. This is a monthly deal where you get science projects in the mail to assemble. This is the glowing pendulum again, and we've opened it up, and I've already assembled the glow board in these steps right here. As you can see, it consisted of putting little scratchy and soft stickers here and there to secure the board. And now we are on to assemble the LED arm. We've got all kind of little gizmos and gadgets here. So you take the battery pack into the cradle of the LED holder, which is here. So this is this. It matches up. Make sure the wires point to the right. Okay, Noah, let's cancel the video for right now. We are on to step 3 in assembling the LED arm, and we have the UV LED, and we're going to put it in the hole as seen here. Never mind. In there. Bend the LED legs over the arm, one on either side of the threaded hole. So, this here, and then we bend the legs over, like so, and we take a bolt, and we screw the bolt into the arm and the LED holder. Tighten it to hold the LED legs and the arm in place so they don't wiggle. So, I'm trying to fix it where they will not wiggle. Oh, now that's supposed to be under. Sorry. These go under the bolt. And we tighten it down. To where the legs will not wiggle. We're still tightening down. And I think that's good. Now, let's see, black wire to the short leg. Okay. And the longer red wire to the longer. And as you can see, the light is on.
How did you trigger the light like that?
Well, this is the battery pack, and I put the electrodes onto the connectors, and it
Electrodes,
and it made the light come on. Okay. The beam will trace a glowing path as you move it across the board.
I haven't seen a video, but everybody else is in the town watching.
Okay. Now we need to put together the pendulum. So, Noah, let's pick that up in a little bit, okay? There's the pendulum. Let's get this started and we'll pick it up, okay? We have put together the pendulum. We've done all the steps. We've taped the stick to the box you can see here in step 3 and step 4. Now we are ready to reconnect the LED light.
Sounds interesting.
Where everyone can see. Oops. There we go. Now we will need an item with some weight. I'll use this water bottle. And we will put it here. Put your weight behind the box to hold it down. I will be getting another item that you can use anything. Just happen to have these water bottles handy. So now, I'm going to close these curtains to get a darker room.
Yippee-yo, just in case we get thirsty.
And I'm going to turn this light off. Now, you take the handle, the lever, and you just spin it.
Whoa!
And it creates all these interesting patterns. Isn't that neat?
That is just cool.
And you can take it and spin it again. Pretty neat.
Whoa.
And it seems very well put together. All the pieces are solid. As you can see, if you just put some things to weigh it down, where the momentum of the weight doesn't carry the box off of wherever you have it placed. Interesting. And there are other things that you can do. It's also comes with various other items. And there are more chaotic motions. As you can see, you'll need the string, some of the other parts, the tape, some of the other harness pieces. There were a lot of pieces left over. If you'll look over here, you'll see different items. You'll see the tape, string, citric acid. But that's it. This is from the Tinker Zine. And again, these are monthly items that you can subscribe to and receive in the mail. And they're pretty interesting to put together and to spend time with the family. So that's about it, Noah.
We're finished?
Yeah.